fight, playing our ball. The brave were told. And who was Ferdinand all towns will shake with fear. Lord Edward too, from Brigaboo, taken also great fear. Likewise John Kelly from Killan, who can tell of rustic throne, and Michael Dwyer, whose pipe flashed fire at the rising of the moon. Robert Emmett, young and fair, have something but to say of what he did and how he strove to smash the tyrant's way. Poor Father John, he is the last. His name, let us all reveal. That holy priest from Bournemouth, who led the dauntless Silmaril. Now, genteel all, sure you have heard of the deeds those heroes wrought. The deeds they've done, the conquest won, and the battles they have fought. And if today a foreign power should rule our saintly isle, ordained by God for better things than fraud, deceit, and guile. No fault lies in those manly breasts, who from the rising sun down till it sets on freedom's fight, a free man's part is done. Cowards may they cry their valor, they sneer, they mock and jeer, but their names on freedom's altar to an Irish better near. And now, brave boys, fall in the line, for the it is no trouble, but I call upon our gallant band to play an Irish double. Or I mean, what